बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ये स्टूडेंट्स अभी हम सोल्व करने जा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 5A। अभी हम सोल्व करने जा रहे हैं क्वेश्चन 5। गेस द हाइट ऑफ द ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑब्जेक्ट। दीज आर द कपबोर्ड, चेयर, ग्लास, पैकेट ऑफ जूस and the height of the fifth class student. These are the intermixed. In length, we will find out which will be the more suitable. First of all, we will decide which height will be of cupboard. Cupboard is maximum 2 meter or 250 meters. So we will choose it is the 2 meters. So it is the 2 meter. We can convert this one into centimeters. It can be 200 centimeters. Now we will find out the length of chair. Chair is small. It is not much great in length. It will be only 50, and the others will be small or larger. So 50 is the reasonable. 50 centimeters. 50 centimeter is the length of chair. Next, we are going to find out the glass or the length of glass. Length of glass means it will be maximum 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Other lengths are the larger or small. We will choose 10 centimeters among them. It is the 10 centimeters. Next, height or length of juice. It is the packet of juice. Packet of juice. It is the 12 centimeters. This one, and this is the reasonable. That will be the 12 centimeters. Next, remaining height of the fifth class student. Class 5 student. It is 0.8 meter. Mean to say, it will be the 800 centimeters. So this is the reasonable. That is the this one. Other these one are the 1 kilometer. It is wrong, and this is the 150. It is so small. It is also 150. 200. It is small. So this is the reasonable. And same like that, glass. The juice packet may be 12 centimeters. It is 0.5 meters. Not possible. 100 centimeters. Not possible. It will be much more length. And the 100, 200 mm is not possible. Same like that. Glass, if we compare the glass, it is a 50 centimeters, not possible. It will be much more length. And if we convert this into centimeter, it will be the 800 centimeters, not possible. and same like that 6 centimeters so small not possible. This is the reasonable length. Next from chair 360 centimeters much more, and one 5 12 meters not possible, more length 9 95 mm small length not possible. This is the correct, that is the 50. Same like that uh, we have picked it is the 2 meters, that is correct. Here is the cupboard's length, that is 10 centimeter not possible, small. It is the also small. This will also much smaller. So the 2 meter is the reasonable. These are the lengths of the cupboard, chair, glass packet, juice of packet, and the height of the class fifth students. Now to the question number 6. Complete the following. Its A part 500 centimeter is equal to mm. Into say it is in meters, centimeters we are going to find out in mm. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So 500 centimeters and 500 will be multiplied by 10 mm. It is the 5000 mm. So next we are going to find out for its B part 40 centimeter is equal to meters. इसको हमने meters में convert करना है, and it will be 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. This will be divided by the 100, and this will be 0.4 meter. 0.4 meter is the answer. Next, its C part, that is 750 mm is equal to what centimeters? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 750 will be divided by the 10. Now it is in centimeters. It is 75 centimeters. Next, we are going to find out its length, that is in D part. It is in meters. We want to find out in kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 900 will be divided by the 1000 to convert into kilometers. These two zeros will be cancelled with these two. 9 over 10, it is the 0.9 kilometer. 0.9 here will be 0.9 kilometers. Now it is the question number 10 of exercise 5A. Add or subtract as indicated. It's A part that we are going to solve. It is 4.25 in kilometers, and we have to subtract 2.78 kilometers from this one. And if we take the one carry, it will be the 15 here, and 1 here, it will be after subtraction 7. And if we take carry from this side, it will be 11. 11 minus 7, it is 4. And decimal will be here. And 3 minus 2, it is 1. 1.4747 kilometers. We want to convert this one into meters. It will be multiplied by 1000 because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Now it will be 1470 meters. This is the answer of this part. Next we are going to subtract the 65 minus 47. If we take the carry, it will be the 15 here and 5 remaining on this place. 15 minus 7, it will be 8, and 5 minus 4, it is 1. 18 meter. To convert into meter into centimeter, we will multiply the 100 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Its answer will be the 1800 centimeters. 1800 centimeters is the answer. Next, its C part, 250 meter plus 350 meters. 250 meter plus 350 meter. If we add this one, this would be the 600 meter. This is the 600. To convert into centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We will multiply the 600 with the 100 centimeters. It will be the 60,000 centimeters. Next, going to solve its D part. It is the 425 means millimeters, and it will be subtracted 198 from these ones. We take carry. From this side there will be 1 and it will be 15, and 8 minus 15 minus 8, it will be 7. Here was a 1 we take carry. It is 11 and here is 3. 11 minus 9, it is 2, and 3 minus 1, it is 2. 227. And then we have to add this one. We will add 227. It is in millimeters. We will add the 250 This is the 7, 7, and 4, 477. Is this one correct? 17, 17. Yes, this is correct. And 477. We will divide this one by 10 because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. This will be divided by 10, and the 477 over 10, it is the 47.7. And now we are going to solve its E part. 145 meter minus 97 meter. We take 15 common. We take carry from the this place. There will be 3, and it will be 15. 15 minus 7, it is 8, and 13 minus 9, it will be 4. It is a 48. 48 plus 687. We will add this one. It is in meters. It will be 15. 1 carry with the 12 plus 1, 13 plus 1, it is 7. 735. If we want to convert into kilometers, 735 will be divided by 1000. Now it is in kilometers. It will be 0.735. Next, uh, this is the same question. We are going to solve its F part. 4000 centimeters plus 723. It will be 4723 minus 2841 centimeters. Now we will subtract 4723 and 2841. Subtract 3 minus 1, it is 2. 2 is less than 4, we will carry from this side. There will be 6 and it will be 12. 12 minus 4 it is 8. And next 6 is less than 8, we will take carry. On the next number there will be 3 and there will be 16. 16 minus 8, it is the 8. And 3 minus 2, it is 1. 1882. Convert into meters, we will divide this one. 1882 divided by 100, it will be the 18.82. Now it's G part. 200 kilometers plus 408 kilometers minus 438 kilometers. We will add first 200 kilometers plus 408. It will be 608 kilometers. Now we will subtract. It is 608 and 438. We will subtract from this one. 8 minus 8, it is 0. We will take common from this side. Here will be 5. Here is 10. 10 minus 3, it is 7. And 7. And from the next 5 minus 4, it is 1. It is 170 kilometers. To convert it to meters, we will multiply 170 with the 1000 meters. It will be the 1700 and 0 meters, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. This is the final answer. Next, its H part. It is in centimeters. 173 minus 95 will be subtracted. 7 minus 5, it is 2. We take carry from here. There will be 0 and here is 18. 18 minus 9, it is 9. Now we will add the 92 plus 382. 2 plus 2, it is 4. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 8, it is 17. 1 carry, it is the 4. 470. 474. I will verify. There was a mistake. This is the 320, 328. I have written here mistakenly 382. This will be 328. If we add, it will be the 8 plus 2, it is 10. 1 carry, it will be the 12. 1 carry here, it will be the 4. 420 is the answer of in centimeters. Now we will divide this one with the 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 420 divided by 100, it will be the 4.2. 4.20 meters is the measurement of this question.